Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Mach generation from year 2012 to year 2019. If you need to see where your power steering is located, stay with us, we'll cover that today. We'll be demonstrating on a hybrid, but even if you have the non-hybrid engine, most of them will be that way, or that will be covered in this video today. So let's go ahead and explain about that now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So I'll go ahead and open the hood guys. As I said, this is a hybrid. If you have a non-hybrid, the procedure will be very similar for multiple engines. Nowadays, okay, you don't have the hydraulic power steering pump that you used to have back in the day, driven by the serpentine belt, and you have to have a hydraulic pump, hydraulic reservoir with the fluid and all that stuff. Now if you come under the car, we have the engine splash shield removed right there. If you want to see how to do it step by step, we have the video on the channel. And once you do that guys, you come towards the back. This is your subframe right here. That's the control arm, subframe, that's the engine, transmission. On the back side is where the subframe will be located. And if you look on that subframe guys, okay, if you look right there, that's where the tie rods will be, okay, the steering tie rods. If you follow them, this is the rack and pinion right here. You can see that great thing, the aluminum thing is rack and pinion. If you look right here, that's where the steering wheel comes from the car. And if you pay attention guys, right there where those big cables are, okay, that's your electric power steering pump. The motor is on the left side right there. Okay, behind that, you can see that's where the electric motor is located, okay, for the electric power steering pump. So that's your power steering pump. It's integrated with the rack and pinion, guys. So if you need to remove it, replace the whole rack and pinion, what you need to do, you need to drop the subframe. In order to do that, get it out, okay, put a new one in, replace it. It attaches only with a few bolts, practically, the rack and pinion, okay, to the subframe, but unfortunately you cannot slide it out of here no matter what you do. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find the power steering. Thank you for watching and see you next time.